So here I am, Independence, Covington, Kentucky. We talked about this double deck, the pool deck, and the deck up here with extreme sun damage. We've come in and encapsulated this deck with our high build, ultra tough armor coating system, and boy is it beautiful, man. I'll tell you what, the wood on this was extremely sun damaged, okay? And we've resurfaced this to where it's I mean, it's just beautiful. You can tell that it's a wood deck. It still holds a lot of its character, but just very beautiful. Let's take a look. Boom. Look at this beauty. This thing is beautiful. We had extreme sun damage here. I mean, very, very extreme, and all this has been resurfaced over. And just looks, you can see the thick build here. When we talk about thick build coatings that can withstand the power of the sun long term, it's what you need. Railing system, splinter lock. No babies getting no splinters off of this, right? Water lock. This is all watertight. There ain't no water getting in this wood now to break it down and destroy it. We moved down here to the pool deck and you got the same exact thing. Kong Armor came in and encapsulated this pool deck as well. Thick build all the way around the rails, splinter lock, water lock, UV block. I mean, these two decks really have a lot of our features. Also around the outside of the deck, we have insect kill on here. So carpenter bees, they land, they bite into it, they fall over dead, right? And then the two features that these customers have here that are the most powerful features of Kong Armor, obviously the lifetime limited warranty and the lifetime service promise. There is no other deck painters on the planet right now that believe in their product that much that they will offer you that. Okay, it doesn't exist. It's just Kong Armor. It's just here in Cincinnati and Northern Kentucky. This is the most unique deck coating service on the planet today. Okay, again, I'm just stunned with the thick build, and I'm just stunned at how much of the deck's character we was able to retain while still locking this down with elastomer. There was a lot of epoxy repairs, stuff like that were done. You can see the thick build here. This is a perfect example of our splinter lock feature, right? This was all frayed wood. If anybody would have came and stuck their hand like that on it, they'd have tons of splinters. Look at that. Look at how locked down that is now. Look at all that locked down. Kept its character, right? But encapsulated. And when they keep their character like that, and we're still able to come in and encapsulate them, they turn out absolutely stunningly gorgeous, right? You guys, please, for those of you that are interested in Kong Armor, if you're ready for a lifetime deck paint system, and you have to be ready, okay, go to kongarmor.com, click on get free quote, but make sure that you've researched us, make sure that you've gotten on this page and that you've looked at what we do, and that you understand that we never leave our clients, okay? We stay with you for the life of your product, and it's an extreme value. Nothing like what your local painter is going to offer you. So make sure that you've researched that before you set up a quote with us, please. We have extreme amounts of requests for quotes, and some of them are people that are they're not looking for our service. They're looking for a deck painter to come in and cheaply do their deck, okay? That's not what we do here, all right? Everything's done with quality, everything has warranty, everything has lifetime service. We have more features. Our service, our product, our deck armor system has more features than any other on the planet. Okay, keep that in mind because we value that highly. All right, keep that in mind before you set up a quote with us. We're looking for customers that want the best. That's who we're looking for. All right, you guys have a good one. I'm signing off from Independence, Kentucky, Covington, Independence. Another beautiful lockdown encapsulation of sun damaged wood here, and it's just crazy beautiful that I get the opportunity to do this constantly for homeowners here in Northern Kentucky and Cincinnati. I'm very blessed. I appreciate all of you. Incredibly beautiful double deck system here. KongArmor.com. See y'all later.